Guys, so mama.
Ayun na.
Can actually redeem some. Cut. Narinig ka! Yes! Mama, kamay ka pa. Sim. Hamay. Amush ka. So.
Kayo bibili? Hindi, masabi. Hindi sa ikaw na lang pwede doon. Sabi ko, ayaw na. Alala niyo, bakit hindi ako matandang ka?
To a better place.
Alalayan niyo yun, ha?
So we have been taken to a better place. It's called Smiling Critters Church Media. This is called the Smiling Critters Church Media.
Bantayan niyo yun si Tita Yenyo, ah.
So the Smiling Critters Church Media is actually a place for smiling critters to rest and actually get food. Baba, gamit tayo.
Sige, nailamusan lang kita. Ako maliligo pa ako.
This is the part 1.
Lahat ng chocolate.
This is actually the part 1. See you.